Hey guys! Today, we're leveling up our file management game on the HaPlay GO Zero 3. We're installing Midnight Commander, a super lightweight, TUI-based file manager that brings ultimate power straight to your terminal. First things first, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Now, let's open up the terminal emulator. Go to Menu, System, and hit Terminal Emulator. Simple as that. Before we install anything, let's update our local package database to make sure we get the absolute latest version. Type in sudo apk update and hit enter. Once that's done, it's time for the main event. Type sudo apk add mc and hit enter. Hit enter on here, and let the system do its magic for a couple of seconds, and boom, installation complete without a single error. Now, let's test it out. Just type MC and hit enter. Look at that. If you see this gorgeous, classic blue dual pane interface, you are officially good to go. Since this is a text-based environment, mastering the shortcuts is key. Use your up and down arrow keys to move the cursor. Want to enter a folder? Just press enter. To go back, highlight the double dots at the top and hit enter again. And here is the ultimate pro tip for dual pane navigation. To switch between the left and right panels seamlessly, just tap the tab key. Left, right, right. Super fast. Need to view or edit a file? Highlight it, then press ESC followed by 3 to view the content. If you want to edit it, press ESC followed by 4. To close the file and get back, just press ESC and then 0. Now, you might notice that the HaPlay GO Zero 3 has a super compact keyboard without any physical F1 to F12 function keys. But don't worry, we can bypass this easily. Just tap ESC and then the corresponding number. For example, ESC then 9 opens up the top menu bar. You can use your arrow keys to look around, and if you want to close the menu, just hit ESC once. And that's it. You've got Midnight Commander running like a charm on your HaPlay GO Zero 3. No mouse needed, just pure, efficient file management. Thanks for watching, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.